Hi friends, welcome to day 1 of Wake Up and Radiate. All that you need today is your yoga mat. Doesn't hurt to keep your water beside you. When you're ready, let's get started. Today we're going to begin in tabletop pose. Stack your shoulders over your wrist and your hips over your knees. And be sure that your toes are untucked so that the tops of your feet are on your yoga mat. Just take a moment here to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And a deep breath out through your mouth. Again, just like that. Inhale through your nose. Through your mouth, exhale. Very good. Now gently blink your eyes open and inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly down to the earth, arch in your spine, shine your chest and neck up to the sky. And exhale, cat pose. Press through your palms, rounding your spine. Let your head and neck hang heavy. Push the ground away from you. Now just continue to flow through cat-cow with your own breath. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. I encourage you here to play around with closing your eyes. Just tuning in with your body and your breath. Take this moment as you are fresh out of bed to just notice how your body feels after a night of lying down. Bring awareness into what muscles are feeling tight. Maybe you have a little bit of pain. Or maybe you feel totally relaxed, and that's awesome. This is just the time to become aware. On your next exhale, bring yourself to a neutral spine. And inhale, bird dog. Extend your right arm out in front of you like you're shaking someone's hand and send your left foot up behind you. Exhale here. Take a deep breath in, press your extremities a little higher to the sky, and then exhale, crunch elbow to knee underneath your body. Really slow and soft here. Inhale, extend for bird dog. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Great, one more. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. And exhale, tiger pose. Bend your back knee and reach back for your foot. If you cannot grab your foot, that's fine. I want you to just stay here in this twist and this reach. If you can grab your foot, I want you to center your chest back towards the floor and then kick your foot into your hand to create an arch in your spine. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. One more cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, gently extend your bird dog. And exhale, tabletop pose. Inhale, bird dog pose on the other side. Extend your left arm out in front of you and your right leg out behind you. Exhale here. As you inhale, press your extremities a little bit higher. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, knee to elbow crunch underneath your body. Inhale, bird dog pose, extend. Exhale, crunch, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Last one. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend to bird dog, and exhale, tiger pose. Bend your back knee, reach back for your foot. Take whatever variation you did on the other side. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, kick your foot into your hand, creating an arch in your spine. Inhale. Exhale, kick. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, extend gently back to bird dog. And exhale, tabletop pose. Inhale, tuck your toes. And exhale, downward facing dog. Send your hips up and back behind you. Press down through your hands to push the earth away from you. And let your head and neck hang heavy completely. Gently bend and straighten one leg at a time if that feels good for you. Just tune in. Notice how your muscles are feeling in your first down dog of the day. Notice how your whole body's feeling. Just to bring awareness, not necessarily to change anything. Inhale. Exhale. And then bring yourself to stillness. Inhale, gaze forward at your hands. And exhale, tippy toe your feet all the way to the top. As you get closer to the top, you can bend your knees. Then separate your feet to hip width distance apart. Allow your head and neck to hang heavy. And grab opposite elbows. Make sure you have a significant bend in your knees so that your torso can rest on your thighs. And then from here, feel free to sway side to side. Maybe you bend and straighten one leg at a time just a little bit. Whatever is feeling best in your body. Inhale. Exhale. Now gently bring yourself to stillness. And follow my direction with the breath cue. Inhale all the way up to the right side, keeping your arms up above your head. And exhale down towards the earth on the left side. Let your head and neck hang heavy. Inhale up to the right. Exhale down to the left. One more here. Inhale up to the right. Exhale down to the left. And then bring yourself to stillness for just a moment here. Now we'll go in the other direction. Inhale up to the left. Exhale down to the right. Let your head and neck hang heavy as you reach the bottom. Inhale up to the left. Exhale down to the right. Last one. Inhale up to the left. Exhale down to the right. And then bring yourself to stillness. Keeping the grip on your elbows. Gently inhale, rise up vertebrae by vertebrae. All the way to standing. Lift your biceps up over your head. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. You can stay facing forward on your mat. I'll turn to this side. I just want you to bring your feet to hip width distance apart if they're not already. Inhale, reach your elbows up away from you. And exhale, reach over to the right side. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, reach. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, reach. 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale, reach. Inhale up. Exhale, reach. And hold it here. Inhale, peel your heart open to the sky. Exhale, reach just a little bit deeper. And inhale, rise up. And exhale, lateral reach to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, reach. Inhale up. Exhale, reach. Inhale up, 2 more. Exhale, reach. Last one, inhale up. And exhale, reach and hold it here. Inhale, peel your heart open to the sky. And exhale, reach a little bit deeper. Take a deep breath in. And a deep exhale. And inhale, rise up. And exhale, release your hands down by your side. Take a deep breath in. And a deep exhale. Inhale, mountain pose. Lift your biceps up by your ears. And exhale, fold forward and down. Inhale, halfway lift. Bring your palms to your shins. And exhale here. I want you to kiss your shoulder blades together, creating a flat spine. And draw your chin down towards your chest. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, plant your palms, step your feet back, and send your hips to downward facing dog. Take just another moment here to pedal out your down dog, bending and straightening one leg at a time. And then bring yourself to stillness and come on down to your knees. We're gonna do something that I really love called juice it up. With your knees hip-width distance apart, just gently begin to sway side to side with your hips. You can make really big circles if that feels good for you. You can press yourself to child's pose or a lazy up dog. This is just a moment here on your mat to move freely. What I love about this free movement here is that you really get to tune in with your body and where you're feeling pain or tension or anything stiff. So just connect with your breath here. Breathe as it feels right for you. Just avoid holding your breath. Great job. Take a deep breath in. And exhale back to tabletop pose. And then make your way to seated on your knees. Take just a moment here before we finish to plant your hands on the tops of your thighs. Lift your shoulders up and back and close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Continue to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you inhale, fill your belly and your lungs up with air. And as you exhale, press the air out. Inhale. Exhale. Just continue to breathe like this. And just take a moment here to choose a mantra for your day, an affirmation, whatever it is that best suits you. If you don't have one of your own, you can join my mantra of I'm ready to take on the day with positive energy. I am ready to take on the day with positive energy. Just remember that throughout your day, whenever you need it. Gently blink your eyes open. Thanks for flowing with me, yogis. Namaste.